Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Visa gift card to Doordash. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, go ahead and open up Doordash and make sure you're signed in. Alright, I'm signing in as we speak. Alright, once you're inside the app on the home page, click onto your user profile. Should be located top rightish of your page here. And now from here, click onto gift cards. Here's where you can add your Doordash gift card. So enter gift card pin and then click on redeem gift card. But that's not quite what we're after. So head back and then click into payment methods. And then from here, click on credit and debit card. And this is where you want to add in your Visa gift card credentials. So add in the number here, the month, the year, and the CVV. Once that is done, click on add card and then head back. And then you'll be able to make your orders and check out with that Visa gift card at the checkout section. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.